Have you ever wondered what truly happens the moment you press a key on your keyboard, especially when you are in the middle of an intense game or typing a critical document? It feels simple, but there is a precise mechanism at work underneath your fingertips. The basic function of a keyboard switch is to translate a physical key press into an electrical signal that your computer can understand. When you push down on a key, the switch beneath it converts that mechanical action into a digital input, allowing your computer to register a character or command. At its core, a keyboard switch is a small electromechanical device. Inside each switch, there is typically a stem and a spring. When you press a key, the stem moves downwards, compressing the spring. This downward movement brings two metallic contacts together, completing an electrical circuit. Once the circuit is closed, an electrical signal is sent to the keyboard's controller, which then interprets it and sends the corresponding data to your computer. The subtle variations in how these contacts connect, how far the stem travels, and the resistance of the spring are what give different switches their unique feel and sound. Understanding this fundamental process helps you appreciate the diverse world of keyboard switches available today. Knowing how a switch works can guide you in choosing the perfect keyboard to match your specific needs, whether you are aiming for lightning-fast inputs in competitive gaming or a comfortable and responsive typing experience for work. Different switch types, such as linear, tactile, and clicky, all perform this same basic function but offer distinct sensory feedback. For example, the actuation point is the specific depth at which a key press is registered, and this can vary greatly between switches. Also, key travel distance refers to how far the key can move from its resting position. A clever bit of engineering called debounce time is also built into the system, which is a tiny delay to ensure that a single physical press registers as only one electrical signal, preventing accidental double inputs. These precise measurements and designs significantly impact how quickly and accurately your inputs are registered. Ultimately, recognizing the basic function and nuances of keyboard switches empowers you to make informed decisions about your gaming gear. It transforms the simple act of pressing a button into a choice about precision, speed, comfort, and reliability, all of which directly contribute to a more enjoyable and effective interaction with your computer.